Welcome to Slow English Podcast with Leo and Anna. Today, topic is toxic friend signs. Just relax and listen. Today, I want to talk about something important. Toxic friends.
That sounds serious.
Yes, it is simple, but very important. We all have friends. Some friends make us happy. Some friends make us feel safe. But some friends make us feel tired.
Tired how?
Not tired in the body, tired in the mind, tired in the heart. That is a toxic friend.
What does toxic mean?
Toxic means something is not good for you. It hurts you slowly. Sometimes you do not see it. Today, I will share some signs, simple signs, easy to understand.
That sounds helpful.
Yes. First sign, you feel tired after talking to them.
That is interesting.
Yes. After you talk, you do not feel happy. You feel heavy. You feel low energy. You think too much. You feel confused.
A good friend should make you feel better.
Yes, a good friend gives you energy. Second sign, they only talk about themselves.
Oh, I know this.
Yes, you listen to them, but they do not listen to you. You share your story, but they change the topic. You feel invisible.
That is not a good feeling.
Yes. Third sign, they make you feel small.
Small again?
Yes. They laugh at you. They say things like, you are not good. You are not smart. Sometimes they say it as a joke, but it still hurts.
Words are powerful.
Yes. Fourth sign, they are not happy when you are happy.
That is sad.
Yes. You share good news, but they do not smile. They change the topic or say something negative. You feel strange.
A real friend should support you.
Yes. Fifth sign, you are afraid to be yourself.
That is very important.
Yes. You think before you speak. You hide your feelings. You are not relaxed. You are not free.
That is not real friendship.
Yes. I had a friend like this.
Really?
Yes. At first, everything was fine. We talked every day. We laughed. But slowly, things changed. I felt tired. I felt small. I did not understand why. Then one day, I noticed something. After every talk, I felt worse, not better. That was the moment.
What did you do?
At first, nothing. I stayed. I tried to be nice, but it did not change. So I made a decision. I talked less. I took space. Slowly, I felt better.
That is a good step.
Yes, you do not need to fight. You do not need drama. Sometimes you just need distance.
That is true.
So, what can you do? First, listen to your feelings. If you feel tired, pay attention. Second, set small boundaries. Say no sometimes. Third, choose people who respect you.
That is very important.
Yes, you deserve good friends. Friends who listen, friends who support, friends who make you feel safe.
That's real friendship.
Yes.
I choose good friends. I choose good friends. I listen to my feelings. I listen to my feelings. I can say no. I can say no. I deserve respect. I deserve respect.
Thank you for listening.
Take your time. Learn slowly.
See you next time.